my channel! Today, I'm so excited kasi mag-unboxing tayo ng ating ring light. I bought this from Lazada. And you know what? The price is super solid. And if you want to know the price, the performance, and the quality of my ring light, please keep on watching. Taran! Andito na ang ating ring light. So, bubuksan na natin ang ring light. Ayan. As you can see, meron siyang face shield. Yan ay free lamang from the seller. So, we will do the unboxing first. Ayan ang ating tripod. Ayan ang tripod and ang ating ring light. Oh! Ayan ang ating ring light. And next is yung phone holder. And ano to? Ito. Ang tawag dito. Basta, iyon. So, wala nang laman ang ating box. And ito ang ating tripod. Tripod, paano ba to? Wow! Hindi ko alam. Wow! Paano ba kasi to? Wow! Hello! So, ayan no guys. Tapos na nating na-assemble ang ating tripod. Ayan, sobrang haba niya. So, next is, i-assemble muna natin itong ring light natin. Ang dahil na eh. Ang lagi lang. Ibutang niyo. Ang dami eh. Finally, the long wait is over! Na-sit up na namin siya guys, kaya i-try na natin siyang gamitin ngayon na! Ngayon na! I-try muna natin siya guys. Ready? Wow! Ang color nito guys ay pwede natin i-change. Ayan, wait lang. Ayan, ay yung warm ba tawag dito or I don't know. Iba-iba ang kanyang kulay. Yan. Oh! Ang ganda! Wow! Woo! So, yun na nga. Yan ang ating choices na pwede niyang i-adjust na light color. Light color ba tawag doon? I don't know. Basta yun na nga ang ating malupitang unboxing ng ating ring light. Oras na para malaman nyo kung ano ang price nito, ang kanyang quality, and also the performance. Ang price nito ay 278 pesos. So, ayun na guys, no? Taysa. Alam nyo, ang performance nito is perfect. Okay naman yung performance niya. Tapos, yung price niya, considering the price, diba? Super sulit lang. Tapos, the quality is good. Very good. Excellent. Ganon. If you are interested about this ring light, you can visit the Lazada app so you can avail yours. Promote. Pero, this is not sponsored. I just want to share. Okay. Opa. So, ang ating LED ring light ay 26 cm or Yung tripod naman natin ay 210 cm. So, story time muna tayo guys, no? Kanina, sobrang stress ako kakasit up nito kasi di ko alam kung paano ikabit tong ring light, tapos yung mga tripod dito, di ko pa alam ano gawin yon. So, I asked help from my brother and my father. Inaanak dayon maka ring light, mag-English. Mag-English dayon, kung maka ring light, no. Mag-ring light lang ta, sige. I asked their help para ma-set up to, and finally, we're done. So, yun lang ang aking check about this ring light, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I-subscribe nyo na yan. Yun! Jamil? I-subscribe nyo na yan, guys. And don't forget to click the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos. So, yun lang guys, no? Thank you for watching. Bye! See you in my next vlog!